What is Qurbani? Qurbani refers to the sacrifice of a livestock animal that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to do during the days of Eid al-Adha. This act originates from the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and serves as a reminder for us to the great sacrifice he was willing to make. Qurbani also promotes charity and togetherness, as it is customary to give 1/3 of the sacrifice meat to charity, 1/3 to relatives and friends, and to keep 1/3 for yourself. Who needs to do it? Qurbani is to be offered by every Muslim who is both of sound mind and financially able. If a man offers to sacrifice 1 sheep or goat, or 1/7 of a cow or camel, this would be sufficient for himself and his household, as this was something practiced during the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How to do it? If it is not possible for you to physically do the sacrifice yourself, you can donate towards a well-known charity who will do the Qurbani on your behalf. On charity websites, the prices for Qurbani will vary depending on which country the sacrifice will take place. However, they will all be for the act of Qurbani. It is preferred for you to offer the sacrifice in the country you are living in. However, some scholars advise it to be permissible to choose another country where the poverty is greater and they are in more need. When to do it? There is a specific time period when the sacrifice must be done, which is after Eid prayer on the 10th until the sunset on the 13th of the Islamic month of Dhul Hijjah. If you are donating towards a charity to do the sacrifice for you, it's best to make this donation as early as possible before the day of Eid. Finally, an important note for anyone intending to offer the sacrifice: once the month of Dhul Hijjah has begun, it is recommended that you do not remove anything from your hair or nails until the sacrifice has been done, as it was taught in the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One of the reasons for this is that when a person intends to offer a sacrifice, they are doing one of the rituals as the pilgrims of Hajj, who also refrain from cutting their hair and nails during this period, and Allah knows best.